I made multiple six figures from AI over the last 12 months. I've taken on client projects, I've built SaaS, I've started a community, but there is one thing that I would do to make money if I had to start over from zero today, knowing absolutely nothing. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 steps to take you from zero to paid, a prompt you can use at each stage, and the most common trap that I see a ton of AI builders fall into that keeps them from earning a lot of money. And if we haven't met yet, my name is Duncan Rogoff. I'm a former art director for brands like Apple, PlayStation, and Nissan, and I now run one of the top communities for learning Claude Code and growing income. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to build first, who you can sell it to, and have a live product ready to collect payments. So focus in, close all your open tabs, and let's build. If you want to get access to all my resources already done for you and learn how to use Claude Code to build websites, apps, games, and more, just check the link in the description. And there's really only 2 things you need to make money with AI. You need something to sell and you need someone to sell it to. But what do you do if you have no idea about either of those 2 things? Well, Claude is actually like the best business partner on the planet. So I'm going to have Claude interview me to help me figure that all out. So we're going to be doing everything today inside of the Claude desktop app. If you haven't downloaded this already, just come over to claude.com/download, download this to your machine, and sign in with your name and password. My goal today is to create a digital product. I need you to help me figure out what to sell. I need you to interview me, to ask me about my skills, my personal experience, my hobbies, anything that might give you an understanding of a type of digital product that I can create. By giving Claude a simple prompt like this and asking it to interview you, it's going to ask you a ton of questions. You're going to answer them just to the best of your ability, and Claude is able to fill in the gaps to help guide you to the right type of product. When I first started with AI, I used this exact method and I made over $9,000 last year doing this. And now I know it doesn't seem like that much, but let me show you exactly what happened. So in my first month doing this, I made $250. The next month, I made $1,250. The month after that was $1,700. And then I made $2,500 in a single month, and I was selling like $6 products. And then right here at the end of April, I launched my community and I stopped driving traffic to my digital products. And so you can see that this graph tapered off. I made $900 the next month, $660, and $500 after that. That being said, I was not sending any more traffic to my digital products, and I was still making money. So if I can do it, you can do it too. So before we go any further, I want to tell you about the biggest trap that I see most AI builders falling into, especially when they're just getting started. And that trap is honestly thinking too big. You don't have to invent the next Facebook. You don't have to invent the next multi-million-dollar app to make a bunch of money with AI. And I found that people are so worried about getting started, or how do I capture the most money right now? They're actually skipping the things that matter most. And really the things that matter most are find something that you're excited to show up for every single day, something that you can be consistent with. And what I see people doing is I see them shifting gears a lot if something doesn't make them a bunch of money really quickly. But you have to remember that good things take time. Like this took me 4 months to scale up to $2,500 a month, right? So you just have to stick with it. At least give something 90 days to see if you can start earning money from it before you start looking for other options. So I just went ahead and added one line to the end of this prompt. I said, pretend you know nothing about me, because if you've already been working with Claude, it has a memory of you, like your past experience and skills and things like that. So if you've already been talking to Claude, like you already have a leg up, but if you haven't, don't worry, it's going to pull all of that information out of you. Great. So the raw material, what do you actually do for work? And what's the thing inside that job that people ask you for help with most often? Is there something unglamorous that you're the go-to for? What have you spent an unreasonable amount of time on that nobody paid you for yet? Any hobbies, obsessions, rabbit holes, just like something you've been tinkering with for years? And what's a problem you personally solved that used to make your life worse? Something where past you would have paid to skip the struggle. So I'm just going to pretend that I'm like a fitness coach or something as an example for today. But of course, like answer these questions in the way that makes sense for you. So I'm a personal trainer and fitness coach, and the thing inside the job that people ask me for help with most often is they typically want to look better, lose weight, and feel better about their body. And what's a problem you personally solved that used to make your life worse? The thing that I solved was like getting out of bed in the morning. That was kind of the hardest thing, getting myself to the gym. And I was able to solve this by just like setting a simple alarm on my phone, blocking out that time on my calendar, and really just forcing myself to do it. It's more of a mindset shift than anything else. So I went ahead and I just answered all of these questions, and we're going to continue from here. So a few things jumped out already. The plan writing and the nutrition obsession are both information products, and the information is the most commoditized thing in fitness. Everyone has seen a PDF meal plan, but the third answer is different. The actual bottleneck you solved for yourself wasn't knowing what to do. It was doing it at 6 a.m. when you didn't want to. That's the type of thing that nobody sells against. So this brings us to stage 2, which is so before we get into step 2 with Claude, I wanted to share this because I think it's super relevant. This woman in my community said, I have no idea who my audience is. I'm so green, it's pathetic. I've never sold anything, et cetera, et cetera. And so that is the part that Claude is designed to solve. And I want to assure you that you have more of an audience than you think. It doesn't even have to be people you already know. The internet is a big, big place. So it's asking me about my audience. Who can I reach right now? Do I have anyone on social media? Do I have any friends or family or past clients or things like that? It wants me to describe like my best client or the people I like working with the most. Do I have anything that's already written down, like any intakes forms, spreadsheets, or working templates? So are there things in your life that you are already using that you can now sell to other people? And then what do you want the thing to do for you? Do I want to sell while I sleep at $27? Or do I want to have to do a little bit more work, like get on a call every now and then for $300 or $500? So this is where Claude can be extremely helpful. So I can tell it all of these details about myself based on my personal experience, but I just have one perspective. Claude can actually go and research the internet to find my audience for me. But there's one thing that it can do that's even more powerful than that. It can actually mine my audience's own language, their pain points, their dreams, their hopes, their fears, the actual language they use to describe their problems. Now, if we're able to put that inside of this guide or digital product that we make, we can also use that in our marketing material. We are likely to sell more because it's going to resonate more deeply. So I'm going to answer these questions, and I'm also going to tell Claude to do the research. I have some current and past clients, probably about 100 total. I have an Instagram following of about 1,000. And I don't have an email list or anything like that. My ideal client is somebody who wants to lose weight but has been struggling. Maybe they try to go to the gym, but they only make it one day a week or something like that. It's typically people in their 40s and 50s, and they've been having a hard time. They maybe have families or kids or things like that. But what I really need you to do is I need you to research the internet for who my audience might be for this type of thing. I just have my own perspective. So I need you to figure out who my ideal client is or my ICP. I need you to research their hopes, dreams, fears, pain points. I need you to mine the exact language that they use so that we can use that inside of our digital product. This is the type of thing I want to sell for $27 on autopilot in my sleep. So Claude is going to go ahead and research the internet for me to figure out how my ideal client actually talks about their situation. So our research is back, and Claude can actually take this and build our digital product for us. So it went and it pulled from weight loss support forums, midlife health communities, and what's actually selling. So that's really helpful. If you don't know what to sell, Claude is going to tell you what's already selling. So it says, the one thing that changes your product. Every forum I read said the same thing, and it wasn't, I don't know what to eat. It was the restart. So one woman said she already knows what she should be doing. Another describes doing well for 2 to 3 weeks, then losing it and regaining the little she lost. So that's our market. They don't have an information problem. They basically have this problem where they start something for a couple weeks and then they give up. And it actually went ahead and identified that I have 2 core audiences. The women's market is larger, more underserved, and buys information products at a much higher rate. But the man's market is easier to write blunt copy for. Then here are some of the exact phrases that they use. And so we don't want to build a workout plan or a meal plan. We want to build the thing that solves for that moment after week 2 where they kind of just stop. So giving something a catchy name is huge, like the restart protocol or the first 14 days. I love the restart protocol. It sounds badass, honestly. It goes ahead and it maps out all of the contents from stuff you already have in your head. And so as a human, go through and read this and make sure that it makes sense to you. If there's anything you want to change or add or whatever, tell Claude now if you have some more information that came to your head while you were reading through this. And so this is really key information, this next part. So the honest math on $27 with 1,000 followers and 100 past clients. If I convert 1 to 3%, I'm going to make $300 to $800. So that's not a ton of money for most, at least in the United States. But if I do have a coaching program, this will collect emails to my email list, and it will identify people who have already agreed to buy something for me who might be right to upsell to my coaching program. So this is also pretty interesting. One structural tweak that makes it much better. Make it a 14-day emailed sequence rather than a PDF download. I'm going to push back on this because I actually want to do both. I'm going to give them the PDF download, and honestly, most people probably won't even look at it, but I'm also going to draft the 14-day email sequence to send them daily, mostly just for accountability because it kind of seems like that's what this audience needs. So in my case, my Instagram following will likely skew towards men because I'm a male, and then it's asking me to give more details on the story about how to wake up in the morning and actually actually get started. So I want to target this towards men. I actually want to create the PDF first and then draft the 14-day email sequence second. So let's work on the PDF first. And then the specific story about the alarm clock, I really had to set a goal for myself, a dream way, or I knew that I had my daughter's wedding coming up. For example, and I knew that I wanted to look good in my tuxedo. And so that motivation or that moment, that thing to grab onto was really the reason that I got up in the morning and went to the gym. And so in just a couple of minutes, Claude came back and it built my entire PDF digital product for me, a 14-day protocol for men 40 plus. You don't need another program. You need to get past the second week. It goes to tell the story about my daughter getting engaged and me wanting to show up and look good in a tuxedo. It tells them what this is not. This is 14 days, a fixed commitment with an end date that you can see. It's not a personalized program. It's not a diet, right? It's basically just an accountability. So then it goes through all the steps that they need to take to be accountable, to show up every day, put it on the calendar, set the alarm, lay the clothes out the night before. And it goes to walk them through step by step everything they need to do, including 3 simple workouts that they can do in 25 minutes or less every day. If you want to change the way this looks or any of the information in here, of course, go ahead, tell Claude what you want to change, and it'll make updates for you. So we have this beautiful PDF. I'm happy with this, at least as a starting point. So I'm just going to download this to my machine. I'm going to go ahead, save this in my downloads, and now we are ready for step 3. So step 3 is pretty simple. I'm just going to come over to gumroad.com and create an account. I really like using Gumroad. I just find that their interface is really simple and easy. And also Gumroad does drive a little bit of traffic to your products for you without you having to even have any sort of audience. So once you've created your account, you'll have something that looks like this. I'm just going to come up to the top. I'm going to click New Product, and we can just go ahead and name this the 14-day restart. It's the name of our product. I'm going to price this at $27, which is the price that we said we're going to set this at. I'm going to click next, and I'm going to customize this. And so we need a description. I'm going to make the URL 14 days, and we need a thumbnail for this. So what's cool is we can actually have Claude write our product description. So I can just say, I need you to write a Gumroad product description for this, no more than 100 words. So then it writes our product description for us. I'm just going to copy this, come back over into Gumroad, paste this in, and we have a product description ready to go. The next thing we want is a thumbnail. And now, honestly, Claude is not great at generating thumbnails. If you use something like ChatGPT, that's fine. If you want to use a site like Kai AI, which I really like, which basically has all of the image and video models in a single place, this is a great place to do that too. So I'm just going to come into text to image. I'm going to use GPT image 2. I'm going to change the aspect ratio to 1:1, which is square. 2K resolution is good. And I'm going to come into Claude and I say, I need a studio product pack image for this product. I need you to write me a prompt for an AI image generator. So it goes ahead and creates this whole prompt for me. I'm going to come back over into Kai AI. I'm going to paste this in. And the only thing that I'm going to change here for a fitness guide for the 14-day restart. So I'm just going to say that to make sure that actually, hopefully those words will get printed on the packaging. And I'm going to hit run to run this, and we'll see what type of image we get for our thumbnail. Okay, cool. So this finished. This is our image right here. I'm super happy with this. I'm just going to download this to my machine. Going to come into Gumroad. I'm going to add our thumbnail in here. And if we even want to add a short summary, we can do that too. Write me a 2-sentence summary of this product. So you can see just by having this back and forth with Claude, you can really have it generate anything that you're going to need to sell this product. Great. Copy this, come into the summary, paste it in, and now we have a full digital product ready to go. If we want, we can actually have this generate a cover image as well. All we have to do is change this aspect ratio to 16:9. We can use the exact same prompt and we can run it again. Great. So this finished. I'm just going to download this to my system as well and upload this as my cover image. So I can come in here, click the plus, upload my computer files, go ahead, upload this as my cover image. And there is one sentence I want to add in here where it says, this isn't another program. It's 14 days built to survive the week that kills every restart, and a daily motivational email from me to keep you accountable. Because that was one other thing we promised. And so we can see over here that this is a preview of exactly what your product is going to look like on Gumroad. So the last thing that you need to do is click Save and Continue. Now you're into the content. All you have to do is upload the PDF from your machine that we downloaded earlier, this 14-day restart guide. Upload this here. Once this is done, go ahead, click Publish and Continue. And now all of a sudden, your 14-day restart guide is live on Gumroad and you are ready to start collecting payments. So when somebody visits your product page, they're going to see this. They're going to click, I want this. They'll be sent here to check out with their name, email address, and pay by credit card. They can even add a tip if they want to. You can see it's $27 and we're all good to go. So for me, the way I first started selling digital products was through my YouTube channel. I would create a video with like an automation template and I would say, hey, if you want this template, like go buy it on Gumroad for $6 or whatever. Not everybody has that option. And so Claude can help you figure that out. So you could use a prompt like this. Now I need you to help me figure out how to sell this to the audience. I don't really have a large social following. I have the Instagram, but what are the steps that I should take for the next 30 to 90 days to actually make money from this offer? I also need you to draft the 14-day email sequence that my members receive as a follow-up. So Claude came back with a game plan and a couple of options for me, and I think this is interesting. It says 1,000 followers and 100 past clients. If you sell this well, expect 25 to 40 buyers. That's somewhere between $600 and $1,000. So the one thing that I do want to say is you can actually grow your Instagram account a lot over 30 days. And so this is taking into account that I have 1,000 followers now. But if I showed up and hustled on Instagram, like 3 Instagram reels every single day, and I started telling people like, I just put together this awesome 14-day guide, like go check it out, then I actually think I can do significantly better than this. So one thing it does note is take this time to build the back end offer. So what is the thing that you sell at the end of the 14 days? Can you upsell them to like an 8-week small group program, right? Can you do like a weekly Zoom and a shared chat thread? Can you run this as a warm launch to any of your old existing clients? So just go ahead and read this and see if anything resonates for you. But I typically encourage people to do more of the thing that they're already doing. In this case, with the fitness coach, I have an Instagram channel. I recommend just putting fuel on that fire and growing that more before you look to do anything else. And it went ahead and drafted the 14-day restart email sequence for me that I can send to people automatically. You can actually really easily set these up inside of Gumroad, inside of workflows. You can click new workflow and you can say when somebody has purchased your 14-day restart, then you can go ahead and basically just send them a series of emails. And so now that I understand this, I'm just going to say, I want to go really hard on Instagram this month. Draft me a 30-day content calendar of 3 reels that I can put out every single day with the topic of that reel and the hook statement. So Claude drafted a 30-day reel calendar for me. Slot A is some sort of post that names their pain. Slot B is I teach them something new, one usable idea. Slot C is something about my point of view or a personal story. Then it goes ahead and drafts every single day, every single topic, what the hook is for me so I can just pick up the camera and I can film and I can say, yo, go buy the 14-day restart guide. I heard someone once say, post every day for a year and never work a day again in your life. And honestly, I can vouch for that. If you want to get access to any of the prompts we use today, just check the link in the description. If you want an entire masterclass on how to build high converting $10,000 websites, just check out this video right here. I'll see you over there.